Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 7. Today we're going to be multiplying by 10. A little visual for you is we can think of dimes and think of money when we're multiplying by 10. I used to work at my mom's gas station and I had to count change back. And so the ability to count by fives, nickels, count by tens, count by 25s, comes in really handy when you're working a cashier's job of any sort. So we're going to kind of look at nickels and counting by tens. Up here it says we can do an addition sentence. We're saying 10 plus 10 plus 10, or we can skip count. And skip count is such a wonderful thing. Tomorrow we're going to learn about that's called multiples. Skip counting and multiples are about the same thing. So let's get started. All right, here we have example 1. Orlando found 8 dimes. How much money did he find? So we have 8, and we know that a dime equals 10 cents. So really for this problem, we need to find 8 times 10 cents. One option I have is to do an addition sentence where I do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 to get 80. Or I have the option to skip count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we know that 8 dimes is 80 cents. 8 times 10 cents is 80 cents. So Orlando found 80 cents. And let's notice the pattern in the products. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. If we extend it, we'd get 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. Notice, in the ones place, there is always a 0, and the tens place is just the number we're multiplying it by, right? So I did 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. And then the ones place is always 0. That's kind of a cool little pattern to find out. Let's look at example 2. Andrew saw footprints on the beach. He counted 10 toes on each set of 3 sets of footprints. How many toes did Andrew count in all? Write a multiplication problem. A multiplication sentence with a symbol for the unknown. So we are trying. We have 3 sets of footprints, and in each set of footprints there are 10 toes, because there's 2 feet, 10 toes, right? And then our box equals box because that is our multiplication sentence, and our symbol is the box for the unknown. So one option we have is we can skip count on a number line. So if I were to count 3 equal jumps of 10, I'd go 10, 20, 30. Okay, so 3 times 10 is 30 toes. Oh my goodness. So Andrew counted 30 toes in the sand. Okay, another thing, I can skip count, right? I have 3 groups of 10. So if I get my fingers out, 10, 20, 30. And we saw the pattern. If I'm doing 3 times 10, the tens place is going to be the 3, and the ones place is going to be the 0, 30. So there we have it. There's lots of different ways to think about multiplication. Let's try another problem. Okay, skip count by tens to find each product. Draw lines to match. 5 groups of 10 or 5 times 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 times 10 is 50. 2 tens. Okay, we got 2 up here. So this is 10, 20. 2 tens are worth 20. There we go. 7 tens. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And we can connect there straight across. 110 is just 10. Okay, so now our next problem says we need to complete the pattern. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. How can knowing the 5's facts help you with your 10's facts? Well, because every other 5's fact is a 10 fact, isn't it? So if I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, every other one is a 10. 10, 20, 30. I guess that's what I would say. Okay, now we are looking at page 337. Asks us to skip count by tens to find each product. Write the addition sentence. So if I have 5 times 10, let's write it out. 10, 20, 30. Oh, I was going to write 40. 40, 50. There's our addition sentence. So I know that 5 times 10 is 50. 2 times 10. 10 plus 10, 2 tens equals 20. So 2 times 10 is 20. Okay. Don't feel like I need you to watch the next two. We probably understand the pattern here, so I'll end the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.